Imagine getting paid just to talk to people online, not crypto, not trading, not affiliate marketing, literally just chatting with people from your mobile device or PC. Now, I know that sounds strange at first, but there's actually a real website out there where people are already making money just by having conversations online with others around the globe. And the crazy part is you don't need special qualifications to get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the website works, how people are making money from it, and how the payments even work. And also some very important things you need to know before you even sign up, because honestly this is probably one of the most unusual online side hustles I've ever seen. So the name of the website is RentACyberFriend, and basically it's a platform where people pay for online companionship and conversations. Now before your mind goes somewhere else, this is mainly about communication, friendship, and social interaction online. Some people use this platform because they want someone to talk to, others want gaming partners, motivation partners, language practice, advice, or simply friendly conversations. And as a cyber friend, your role is simply to communicate with clients online through text chat, voice calls, video calls, or gaming sessions. What makes this interesting is that you can decide the type of conversations you want to offer. For example, you can focus on motivation, gaming, movies, music, fitness, animes, business conversations, or just a casual friendship chat. So if you naturally enjoy talking to people and communicating online, this platform basically turns that into a potential side hustle. Now let me explain exactly how the platform works step by step. The first thing you do is to go to the website RentACyberFriend.com, and then you need to sign up. Once you sign up, you have to build your profile, and honestly this is one of the most important parts, because your profile is basically your online storefront. You add things like your picture, your hobbies, your interests, languages you speak, and the type of conversations you offer. For example, someone might say, I'm a good listener, or I enjoy helping people stay motivated, or maybe you can just say I love gaming and talking about movies and music. And now here's the interesting part. You actually set your own prices. You're not basically putting prices from the website itself, but you're the one setting the offer, the price the person needs to pay you for having those conversations. Some users actually charge per minute, others charge per hour. And once your account is active, people on the platform can discover your profile and contact you directly. The better your profile looks, the more likely you are to attract clients. That means good communication, a friendly personality, and staying active regularly can make a huge difference. Now obviously this is not an instant money, and I want to be very honest with you guys, because a whole lot of videos online exaggerate these things. Some people get conversations quickly, others take longer before getting consistent clients, but most likely this is actually an online platform and consistency matters a whole lot. Let's talk about the money, because that's probably what you're most curious about. How much can you actually earn from this? Well, your earnings depend on several things on the platform, starting with your pricing, your communication skills, your activity level, and how attractive your profile is to clients. Some users only make small side income, others reportedly earn about hundreds of dollars every single month. Now personally, I think the best way to view this is not as some magical money method. Rather, you need to see it as an online side hustle opportunity, because at the end of the day, people are paying for interaction and communication. And in today's digital world, where more people spend time online than ever before, that demand is actually growing. Let's talk about how payments work. The platform supports payment methods like PayPal, Wise, and in some cases bank transfers. And from what's available publicly, users from many countries worldwide are able to use the platform. But before joining any online earning website, always do your own research first and understand the payment system carefully. Also remember, the platform takes a percentage commission from your earnings from any conversations you have on the platform. So it's very important to understand how fees work before getting started. Now, before you rush to sign up, there are a few important things you should know as well. First things first, this is actually an online social platform. That means your experience can depend heavily on the people you interact with. Some conversations may be great, some may feel awkward, some people may just waste your time. So boundaries are very important here. Never share sensitive private information with strangers online. Second, your success on the platform depends on a whole lot of consistency. A whole lot of people join the website like this, stay inactive for a few days, and then quit immediately. But online site also usually reward those who stay actively consistent over time. And then thirdly, do not depend entirely on one website for income. This should be treated as an additional online income stream, not your entire financial plan. So here is the marketplace, and as you guys can see, a human connection marketplace. You basically get paid to be present or connect instantly for real conversation. And if you guys scroll down, you can see people sharing their time and experience, while others connect instantly through a secure pay per minute live video. So you're either becoming a normal cyber friend, or you can actually just have an instant live video call or live video conversations with clients around the globe, and you also get paid per minute. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see start as a caller, connect instantly with real people via live video, just like what I mentioned. And then we have another one here, real reasons to call, if someone actually wants advices, motivation, advice on personal challenges and rest. And then if you scroll down, you can see get ready to join. Okay, we have the live one-to-one video, search what you actually want, call when they're online, whatever it might be. Your RentACyberFriend has also been featured in TechCrunch, Strong Widgets, Wall Street, Crazier, Hollywood, and so many others out there. All you have to do is to simply click on sign up over here, and after clicking on sign up, you can either continue with your Google account, or you can continue by just creating your account afresh. So you want to click on become a cyber friend over here. Okay, and then after clicking on that, you just want to scroll down, you have it here. You can continue with your Google or Apple, or like I said, a normal filling form. Okay, so I'm going to continue with Google. Okay, so you want to click on sign up with Google, and then it's going to automatically link up with your Google account. And as you guys can see, once you successfully sign up, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. We have the earnings area, we have the number of followers you have, we have the course completion area, and then if you scroll downwards at the left hand side, you can as well see all the lovely features. And this is where you're going to edit your profile, because this is very key for you to stand out here on RentACyberFriend. And in addition, for your withdrawals, this is the area where you can set up your withdrawal method. So you just want to click on it and then scroll down to the bottom. You can see all the methods. We have the minimum here for PayPal, $50, for wire transfer as well, $50, and also for a normal bank transfer, $50. So this is actually an amazing platform with amazing payment methods that a whole lot of people around the entire globe can actually start using. The smartest people online usually combine multiple income sources together. What makes this site also very different from many others online is that it focuses on something very human: communication. A whole lot of online money making methods require technical skills, editing, coding, marketing, or expensive equipment, but this platform is centered around conversations and interaction. And honestly, many people underestimate how valuable communication skills can be online. So overall, RentACyberFriend is definitely one of the more unique online side hustles available right now. It's not guaranteed money, it's not magic, but it is a real platform where people are earning through online conversations. So if you enjoy talking to people and you want to explore another online income opportunity, this might be something worth checking out. And if you want more legit worldwide websites that can actually help you make money online, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos like this. And also, do not forget to drop down comments to share this video with your friends and family members out there, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.